Two companies ABC Limited and XYZ Limited approached DEF Bank for forward rate agreement. Both the companies want to borrow a sum of rupees 100 crores after 2 years for a period of 1 year. Bank has calculated yield curve of both the companies as follows: XYZ and ABC. So ABC is this, XYZ is this. For year 1, 3.86, 4.2, 4.46, 4.12, 4.48, 4.78. Identify at least one reason for difference in the yield curve for the companies. You are required to calculate the rate of interest DEF Bank would quote under 2V3 FRA using the company's yield information as quoted above. Suppose the bank offers interest rate guarantee for a premium of 0.1% of the amount of loan. You are required to calculate interest payable by XYZ Limited if interest in 2 years turns out to be 4.5% or 5.50%. So let's see the answer. Difference in yield curve. First requirement is identify the at least one reason for the difference in yield curve for both the companies. The difference in yield curve may be due to the lower credit rating of ABC compared to XYZ. So ABC has higher rate of interest and XYZ has lower rate of interest. So difference in yield curve may be due to the lower credit rating of ABC Limited compared to XYZ Limited. So you are required to calculate the rate of the interest DEF Bank would quote under 2V3 using company's yield information as quoted above. So 2V3 that FRA they are asking for both the companies. So 0, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. For XYZ for 2 years it is 4.2% and 5.48% over here. So this period they are asking the rate. For XYZ this is 4.48 and 5.78. So 2V3 equal to 1.042 into FR, like this normal calculation we will get it. 2V3 for this thing is 548 square into this thing a whole cube, we will get the answer. Suppose bank offers interest rate guarantee at a premium of 0.1% of the amount of loan. You are required to calculate interest payable by XYZ if the interest in 2 years turns out to be this. So case 1 if actual interest is 4.50, case 2 is 5.50. Premium payable is on the notional principal 0.1%, that is 100 crores into 0.1 is rupees 0.10 crore. So strike rate is 5.04. Bank offers for XYZ, for one bank they are calculating. So let the strike rate, they are assuming strike rate is not actually given in this question. So they are assuming XYZ fair strike price is the fair rate is the forward rate is the strike price. Actual rate is 4.5%. This thing they are borrower will buy a call option, isn't it? Right to borrow at a specified rate. So call. When the actual rate is less, it will lapse. When the actual rate is higher than the strike rate, it will exercise. Applicable rate of borrowing is 100 into 4.5 and here 5.04 borrowing. Premium of this thing will be paid. Effective cost is 4.6%. We ignore time value.